Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Asbestos Removal Newcastle, safe and efficient services in Glendale, NSW. I'm your host David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're cutting right to the chase, shining a spotlight on an absolutely vital service for our community. Expert asbestos removal right here in Glendale and the surrounding areas. Asbestos Removal Newcastle is all about keeping your homes and businesses safe, offering services that are not only fully licensed and certified by Australian authorities, but are also tailored to both residential and commercial needs. We understand Newcastle's unique building structures and the common risks, so you're not just getting a service, you're getting local knowledge. They provide fast, efficient solutions, minimizing disruption to your daily life. Why is this so crucial, you ask? Because your peace of mind and your family's health comes first, and that's a highlight worth focusing on.
Right then, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the process itself and what you can expect. Many of you might be wondering, what's the first step? Well, it's simple. Schedule an inspection with our certified professionals. We'll assess your property, identify any asbestos-containing materials, and map out the safest course of action. And speaking of safe, is asbestos removal safe is a common question. Absolutely. Our team follows strict safety protocols and prioritizes your well-being, guaranteeing compliance with all local regulations. The duration? That depends on the job's size and complexity, but we pride ourselves on being fast and efficient, giving you a clear time frame up front. And after it's removed, all asbestos is disposed of safely and responsibly, adhering to environmentally compliant methods. We cater to both residential and commercial properties. No job is too big or too small. It's about getting the job done right so you can breathe easy. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Why is professional asbestos removal essential for your home and our community? It's more than just a cleanup. It's about safeguarding lives. Disturbing asbestos can release toxic fibers, risking serious health issues like mesothelioma for you, your loved ones, and even your neighbours. By choosing trained professionals, you're not just addressing immediate threats, you're contributing to a healthier environment for generations to come. This proactive approach ensures peace of mind, knowing you've made the right decision. Moreover, there's a tangible benefit to your property value. Buyers are wary of asbestos, so its safe removal makes your home more appealing, potentially commanding a better price. And let's not forget, addressing these issues promptly can save you from far costlier repairs down the road. Don't wait. Contact Asbestos Removal Newcastle today to guarantee your property is asbestos-free and fully compliant. Book a call with our asbestos removal team and secure that peace of mind.